What is the state of your health? Do you have a case of male or female infertility? Have you been told you have a low sperm count? Do you have a prostate problem? Are you a lady suffering from abnormal menstrual problems? Never worry again. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center has all the answers to your health needs. At Zoe, we treat all kinds of health problems, including erectile dysfunction. Zoe Fertility Center has a state-of-the-art laboratory and an ultrasound scan services available. There's also the total body scan, which scans all your organs in 5 minutes. Yes, you heard right, in 5 minutes. Our pharmacy is well stocked with good and highly efficacious natural medicines, all without side effects. Locate Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center at our Adenta new site behind the CAF International School opposite Mechanical Lloyd on the Adenta Ebri Road. At Odoko, we are near Nicolisi Hotel behind International Needs. Odoko Terrazzo. Call 0205 363614 or 0243 239534. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center. Excellent healthcare, our hallmark.
Hello, welcome to the Zoe Health Talk Show. My name is Dr. Fiao from the Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center. The Zoe Health Talk Show is a health education program which comes your way every time on this platform, on this station. We learn so many things concerning our health. Today, I want to talk about testicular pains. Testicular pains. The testicles are small structures that are located within the scrotum. It's part of the reproductive organs in men. It's part of the reproductive organs in men. And so when you take the scrotum, which is a sac that hangs in between the legs in men, you know, is where you have the testicles. A normal scrotum contains 2 testicles, so you have one on the left and one on the right. There are some men who have only 1 testicle, but that is normal. I mean, once that is what you have, there is no problem with it. Sometimes you can have pains in your testicles, and when you have pains in your testicles, it may be due to serious conditions that, if it is not treated, can lead to your testicles getting damaged. You know, the testicles are responsible for the production of semen and sperms. They are responsible for the production of sperms, and so when they get damaged, sometimes there is difficulty in you producing adequate amount of sperm to be able to make a woman pregnant. Now, when you have pains in your testicles, there are other features that may come along with it. Sometimes you can have pain in the testicles that may come with scrotal swelling. So the scrotum may be swollen, and then there is also pain. And then sometimes you may have the pain that you feel in your groin or in the lower abdomen, just because there is pain in the testicles. Some men may complain that they also have pain in the waist and all that. Sometimes too, you may have testicular pain, and then you may also have pain when you are urinating. So there will be painful urination and all that. But that may all depend on what may be causing your testicular pain. Now, looking at the causes of testicular pain, and one of the things is that sometimes when there's trauma or injury to the testicles, that can lead to pain. So if, for instance, that you are engaged in a sporting activity and then somebody accidentally hits your scrotum, you are likely to have pain in your testicles, and that may come along with sometimes testicular swelling and all that. There are also infections like sexually transmitted infections that may also affect the testicles and cause testicular pain. I mean, sexually transmitted infections like gonorrhea or chlamydia, you know, when a man contracts this condition, sometimes it may lead to the testicles getting infected, and that may come with pain. And so when you have that problem, when you touch the testicles, you feel pain. Or sometimes when you are walking and then your thigh rubs on the testicles, it causes some pain. There are those who may have pain in the testicles when they have scrotal hernia or they have hernia within the scrotum. Hernia is when there is a protrusion of an organ into another organ, and sometimes the pressure of that organ pressing on the testicles can lead to pain. That can lead to pain. So when you have pains in your testicles, these are some of the things that can happen. The other thing too is that when there is accumulation of fluid, hydrocele within the scrotum, that can also cause pain in the testicles. And so you have some people where they have pain in the testicles, and the testicles will also look swollen. When you do an investigation, you find out that there is so much fluid accumulated within the testicles, and that is what may be causing the pain. There are those who may have pains in the testicles that may be due to a condition called varicocele, where there are enlarged and tortuous veins within the scrotum. Sometimes there are these veins which carry blood to the testicles. They can be thickened and enlarged. When that happens, they cause pain within the testicles, and so when you touch it, you feel that there is some pain. Now, when you have varicocele, one of the things that it causes is that it leads to poor quality sperms. It leads to poor quality sperms. So those who have testicular pain, sometimes they may end up reporting into the hospital, and they will find out that their sperm quality is also very low and then poor. So that is something that is also we must also keep an eye on. There are those who may have testicular pain because they have testicular cancer of the testicles. Normally, when you have cancer developing within the testicles, that can also cause pain. But when an investigation is done, then we can know whether it is due to a cancer that is causing the pain, or is due to some infections like bacterial infections or sexually transmitted infections like gonorrhea or chlamydia, which may be causing the pain. And so when you have pain in your testicle, these are some of the things that we have to be mindful of, which may be the cause of the pain. There are those who have certain conditions like diabetes and all that, which sometimes affects the nerves. That can also lead to pain within the testicles and all that. In all, when an investigation is done, then we know actually where the problem is coming from. Then it can be managed. But when you have painful testicles and it comes with swelling, you need to report to the hospital. An investigation will be done to know the actual cause so that it can be promptly treated. Because there is a pain that comes as a result of the testicles twisting on its structures. When that happens, blood supply to the testicles may be cut off, and that can lead to the testicles getting damaged. And when the testicles are damaged, it becomes difficult to be able to make or produce sperms, and then that can affect you in terms of your fertility status as a man. And so when you have pains in your testicles, it's very important that you report for an investigation to be done to know the actual cause of the pain, and then that can be treated for you. Our time is up. We'll come your way again next time. My name is Dr. Fiao from the Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center. Bye-bye.
What is the state of your health? Do you have a case of male or female infertility? Have you been told you have a low sperm count? Do you have a prostate problem? Are you a lady suffering from abnormal menstrual problems? Never worry again. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center has all the answers to your health needs. At Zoe, we treat all kinds of health problems, including erectile dysfunction. Zoe Fertility Center has a state-of-the-art laboratory and an ultrasound scan services available. There's also the total body scan, which scans all your organs in 5 minutes. Yes, you heard right, in 5 minutes. Our pharmacy is well stocked with good and highly efficacious natural medicines, all without side effects. Locate Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center at Adenta New Site, behind the CAF International School, opposite Mechanical Lloyd on the Adenta Ebri Road. At Odoko, we are near Nicolizi Hotel, behind International Needs. Odoko Terrazzo. Call 0205 363614 or 0243 239534. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center, excellent healthcare, our hallmark.